Hey everyone, this is Lola Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today we're creating a Pluck called Radiator, and it sounds like this. If you want to listen to this while checking the MIDI, these are the notes. You can see that there are some little adjustments here in the velocity. And now if you want to listen to this in context with a bit of shaperbox, sidechain. Really cool sound that you can find over here in the description below in the Serum 2 pack called Melodic Progressive that you can find at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's initialize the preset. We're going to get started here by deactivating Shaperbox and activating a new Serum. And it sounds a bit loud as well, and it sounds completely raw. So we're going to start by selecting here first a saw triangle wave, DS saw triangle. Now we're also selecting here noise wide filter. Level a bit up. And filter also a bit up. And also stereo a bit up. But this is a bit too aggressive in the ears because it's pretty much the raw sound. So let's go here into miscellaneous German LP, German low pass, A and noise. Cut off a bit down, and we barely listen to something. Now we're gonna start doing some modulation. But first, a bit of drive, a bit of saturation. That's pretty much what the drive is, and no resonance. Cool. Now let's go and adjust a little bit of the envelope. So first envelope, a bit of attack and more release. Second one, which is going to modulate the cutoff here. This is how much we need of modulation, but we need to make this into a pluck. So sustain pretty much all the way down. And we need to select a little bit of release as well. In addition to that, what we're also going to do, which is going to be pretty fun, is first, let's pick the attack a bit up. And the shape needs to be exactly like this. Now, in addition, to make this really cool, we're going to go here in the matrix and we're going to pick the velocity and drag here in the auxiliary source. So stronger velocities are going to have stronger envelope too, so more cutoff. So listen to this. If it's This is going to be flat. Maybe even you can do something like this to make it even cooler. Now, a lot of content to the bus number 1. And let's go to bus number 1. Bus number 1 is going to be pretty much a delay bus. So delay, 100%. A bit higher here, a bit higher here as well. This is going to be a ping pong 1/8 dot for both. Oops, something like this. Now EQ, gain all the way down and all the way down. Isn't it the same thing of equalizing here and here? Yes, but it's the same thing, so we can do it this way as well. Now everything that goes into the bus goes into the main as well. We're going to start doing a bit of the main as well. So distortion to start. Tube, post, with a bit more frequency here. And a bit less Q. A bit more drive, a bit less mix. Now we're going to select 2 equalizers. The first equalizer, we're going to start by doing a high shelf and a high cut sorry, a low shelf and a high cut. So the high cut is going to go somewhere over here. With a lot less Q. And in the low shelf, that's pretty much it for now. The second one, we're going to select a bell and also a high shelf. So in the high shelf, just going to go here all the way up. And in the bell, just taking a bit of those muddy frequencies. Compressor, because can you see how that last note, which has a bit more attack, it's a bit too loud? Listen here. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to listen to this in context with sidechain. But if you get the original preset, you get a lot more. You get a lot of macros, you get a lot of also the mod wheel with a lot of things attached to it, so you can play around with it and do a lot of modulations with it as well. Hope that you liked this video, and if you liked it, you can hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. This is Lilo Reddy from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.